So we're here inside the UP Diliman campus. This is the Oval place, no? UP Oval. Dito kami nagpi-PE, no? Going back in time, but more commercialized now because this may mataas na building. I don't know what building is this. So this portion ng area 2, we're going UP Theater. Tapos naghanap kasi kami ng Rodix from the shopping center area. So alanganin namang sumakay ng jeep or taxi, so better we walk. Dumaan kami sa area 2, the place where I stayed for 1 year, no? 1 year kasi ubusan ako ng room dito sa may Molabe. Itong place na this is the area, no, ng mga yung area ng Rodix place natin. Dito na yung Rodix, no? Yung isa burger kon yun, may burger place, no? So you have coffee shop, 7-Eleven. This is the Epsilon Chi Center, no? Pasok tayo dito na area. Dito na mas representative of mga UP students. Ito na yung favorite place. So this is Epsilon Chi Center. You have Rodix. Welcome to Rodix na area. This is yung area ng ito yung Shacks, Snack Shack, huh? Best burger in the world daw to. Then itong area na to, this is yung Rodix. So mag-order kami.